HEB Construction, we are a Tier 1 civil construction company in New Zealand, operating mostly in the horizontal space. So that's building roads, bridges, running maintenance contracts. We do ports and jet wharves and maritime work as well, and a lot of work with water and subdivisions. So we also have a precast division, so we're quite diverse in the type of work that we do. But a majority of the work we do is for either NZTA or other local government bodies. The type of work we do generates a lot of documentation, especially in the quality space. We have to generate a lot of quality packs for our clients, and also obviously all those other areas, health and safety. And so the issue for us is that those documents are spread everywhere. We probably spent 18 months working through different options and looking at different solutions as to what would work best for that. And we ended up working with Mannix to do a proof of concept using M-files, and it turned around just in that simple implementation as a proof of concept. They saved around $80,000 a year, and it was saving guys, up to 2 or 3 hours a day in unnecessary travel. That was kind of how we sort of started to adopt M-files. And then, as we started to learn the capabilities of M-files and how it's really a platform for not only document management, but also workflow and streamlining of processes and all of that, it's just kind of just built up this natural momentum and evolved. We also integrate heavily with all of our other systems back into M-files, so we're really embracing that whole content services platform concept, where we want to reduce the number of interfaces that people especially out in the field, have to interact with. Unlike some other systems that do process mapping, that's great. There's a process map, and you can drill from the L0 to the L1 process. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. M-files allows you to go, so for that step, it uses this form. So you click on the link, and it opens the form in M-files for you. So a person can follow the process visually. So it's almost like it's that gamification type of approach, which is actually really important in our industry, because we have a lot of blue-collar workforce, and so there's often challenges with some of our workforce in that regard. So the more visual that you can make a process, and it's all in the one place, that's where we see it going, sort of long term. We see it becoming a real sort of at the heart of our business.